Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have some exciting news for OnePlus fans. It seems like OnePlus is all set to launch another smartphone under its Nord series in India. We have some leaked information about the upcoming device, and it's called the OnePlus Nord CE 3 5G. So, let's dive right into the leaked specifications and features. According to reliable tipster Mukul Sharma, aka Stuff Listings, the OnePlus Nord CE 3 5G, internally codenamed ZT, will be the company's most premium smartphone in the Nord series for the Indian market. Although OnePlus has not officially confirmed any details about the launch, Sharma has revealed some interesting information. First up, let's talk about the processor. The Nord CE 3 5G is rumored to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G. This chipset is an incremental improvement over the popular Snapdragon 778G SoC, offering enhanced performance. It's exciting to see OnePlus raising the bar for their mid-range smartphones. In terms of memory, the device is expected to launch with up to 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. And here's an interesting addition: OnePlus is introducing virtual RAM, which they call RAM Vita. This means the Nord CE 3 might support up to 16 GB of RAM with the help of virtual memory. Gamers will be pleased to know that the phone will come with gaming-centric features like HyperTouch and HyperBoost. Now, let's move on to the display. The Nord CE 3 5G is said to sport a tall 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display. The screen will be flat and offer up to 950 nits of brightness. And that's not all, it's expected to support a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, providing an immersive viewing experience. When it comes to the camera, the Nord CE 3 5G seems quite promising. According to Sharma, the phone will feature a triple camera setup on the back. The primary camera will be a 50MP Sony IMX890 sensor, the same one found in the flagship OnePlus 11 5G. This camera will support optical image stabilization, OIS, ensuring sharp and stable photos. However, please note that due to different tuning and hardware differences, the camera performance may not be exactly the same as the OnePlus 11. In addition to the primary camera, there will be an 8MP ultra-wide camera with a 112-degree field of view, perfect for capturing wide-angle shots. And to complete the triple camera setup, a 2MP macro sensor will be included, allowing you to explore the tiniest details up close. The rear camera is also expected to support 4K 30 frames per second video recording. Moving on to the battery, the Nord CE 3 5G is rumored to pack a beefy 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you have enough power to get through your day. But what's more impressive is the 80-watt fast charging support. That means you can quickly recharge your phone and get back to using it in no time. In terms of design, Sharma has shared some interesting details. The Nord CE 3 5G will feature a plastic frame and launch in two colors, Aqua Surge and Gray Shimmer. However, one notable omission will be the alert slider, which has been a signature feature in many premium OnePlus phones. Some additional features of the Nord CE 3 include an IR blaster, an X-axis linear motor for improved haptic feedback, and NFC support for convenient mobile payments.